Hello everyone, I'm Jan Michael Ozareno. I'm gonna show you how to solve exponent and radical. To solve this, we need to copy the base and simplify the exponent. We need to copy this to simplify the exponent. And we need to find the LCD, and the LCD is 6. And we need to divide the LCD and the denominator equals 3. And the next is we need to copy the numerator and we need to times the 3 and 1 and 2 and 4. And we need to plus the equal sign equals to 11. And we need to copy the LCD and the answer is 11, 6. That's it. Let's move now to radical expression. To solve this, we need to factor the 32, and factor of 32 is 16 times 2. And we need to copy the square root and x squared. And we need to find the square root of 16, and the square root of 16 is 4. And the index and the exponents are the same. We need to cancel it because they are the same. We need to copy the square root and 2. And that's the answer. We're going to go to